Wagwan, massive. I don't know say your girl Whitney.
I don't know say your boy Jessie.
Yes, guys, and today we're gonna be doing the try not to laugh challenge.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we have like 4 bottles of water, of course, because we're outside. We're gonna try to make each other laugh.
Well, one person gonna have a mouth full of water. Another person gonna say a joke or phrase or whatever it is to make that person spit it out. So let's see how it go.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
I always win.
I learned why I go easy on her. You know what I'm saying? Trying to break her thumb.
Lies you tell.
I ain't trying to break her thumb
The
out.
lies you tell.
All right, so I
Get
got
a mouthful. Yep.
All right, cool. All right.
Get a mouthful of water.
No problem.
All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready like Freddy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Grab a straw, cause you suck.
Okay, that was good. What do you call a cow with 2 legs? Lean beef.
That was funny. What? That was. I used to have an open mind, but my brains kept falling out.
Alright, that's funny.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what do you call fake spaghetti? Impasta. An imposter.
What?
Imposter. Fake
Did you
spaghetti.
come up with that?
No, it was on the internet.
Can vegetarians still eat animal crackers? What?
That's funny. Okay. Did you finish the joke?
I did.
No. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycombs.
What? Somebody asked me the other day for my advice, and I said, you can take it, because I'm You don't even know what I was about to say. What?
It's still funny though.
Let me finish. Somebody asked me for my advice, and I said, you can take it because I'm not using it.
That's funny. That's funny.
You freaking start laughing before I even finish. Oh my God, is it good?
What do you call a pig that does karate? Pork chop.
Is Hong Kong related to King Kong and Donkey Kong?
I got the whole thing of water down there. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. When you see something that's funny, but kind of funny, do you do this? Something that's funny, but kind of funny? No? Oh, I didn't get it. Okay, alright. Okay, hold it. Okay. What kind of shoes do burglars use? Sneakers. Sneakers, because they sneaky. Oh, this is a go. Okay, she's hard to get, y'all. Okay. All right. What do horses yell when they fall over? Help! I can't giddy up. I fall and I can't giddy up. Help! I fall. I can't giddy up.
I was trying to hold it in. That's stupid.
It's
what?
dumb. It's dumb, but it's funny though.
Okay. My teeth itch. My ears run. Teeth don't itch. Teeth don't itch. Okay. All right. You being tough. All right. Got it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. So how can it be impossible? So you being tough, huh? Okay. In a nutshell. You swallowed it? Oh my God, you wasn't supposed to do that. You wasn't supposed to do that. You cheated. Because you ain't want to spit it out, you freaking swallowed it.
That was a good one though.
You cannot do that. That's cheating.
I got thirsty. What did the tomato say to the other tomato during the race? Catch up!
Boy, did you fart? Because you blew me away.
Sorry, neighbor. What did the ocean say to the shore? Nothing. It just waved. Alright.
Where my phone at? What you do with my phone?
Maybe that's what it's for.
Babe, don't get my phone. You freaking knocked it off the balcony.
Before that, the phone fell off the balcony.
Freaking dropped my phone all the way down there. Can y'all see it? Off the balcony, y'all. I hope it's like alive. Like, I hope it's not dead. He murdered my phone. Murdered it. How did you do that, husband?
I know, right?
Shaggy's farts come out and say, it wasn't me. When he farts, his farts say, I wasn't me. It wasn't me.
What do you call birds that stick together? Velcro. Velcros. Because they stick.
I freaking wet my shirt. I was trying to hold it in so bad. It wouldn't hold it. You put the pro in procrastination. Balls deep. Balls deep. Balls deep.
Okay. What did the alligator say when it sneezed? I think I'm coming down with something. I think I'm coming down with something.
Why you keep doing that? You intimidate me. Stay like that. Yo. Alright. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
Alright.
What? That's no fair.
Just for fun. Oh, you got off my phone.
I fuck you.
Alright. What's Forrest Gump's password? 1 Forrest 1.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, is that my shirt? It's going down my shirt. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Alright,
Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
How do bees get to school? The school bus. School bus. Alright, that one didn't get her. Okay, you strong. Okay, alright. Okay. What do you call shoes made of banana peels? Slippers.
Shut up. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Bikini SpongeBob. I love you some SpongeBob, I tell you. Alright.
What did one hat say to the other hat? I'm good. You go on ahead.
Alright. I called Pizza Hut to ask them for Domino's number. I wasn't even finished. I wasn't even finished.
What did one nut say while it was chasing the other nut? I'm a cashew. I'm a cashew. Thanks guys for watching. We appreciate the love and the support. We ask that you guys continue to like, subscribe, share,
and comment down below on this video and let us know what you think.
Yep, don't forget to hit that notification bell to keep up with all upcoming videos that we pop up. Yep, so.
And to be the first one to know about our videos once we upload them.
Yeah.
Alright. And thank you for all the support, guys. We really appreciate it. And we are still on the road to 200 subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright? Till next time.